What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today we're having some Kentucky Fried Chicken. Alright, so KFC. We have fried chicken, original and crispy. And then we also have their chicken wings, their Nashville hot. Also got some sides, coleslaw, mashed potatoes and gravy. And then we also have some Filipino
Why does it look like that in there?
Filipino spaghetti. Yeah.
That's
So
the cheese, by the way. I don't know why it looks like
this is the cheese on top.
It looks weird.
Yeah. So yeah, Filipino spaghetti. Some red sauce with beef. And hot dogs. It has hot dogs in there. Yeah. So yeah. We're hungry.
The Nashville hot.
It's not even hot, huh? Really? Does it take... Oh my god. Oh my god. Extra crispy. Mmm.
Makes some spaghetti.
You know what's funny? Not funny, but tastes a little better this time
Really?
than from the time we made it.
The spaghetti?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We should make a recipe on it.
KFC gravy.
It tastes like it's not that sweet like before.
Yeah. Haven't had KFC in a while. So KFC is my favorite chicken spot. Not a lot of people like KFC, but KFC was like the original
Yeah.
fried chicken. Before Popeyes, before Churches. What else? What else is there?
I don't know.
And all these other chicken spots now. But yeah.
I don't know if I have a favorite.
Yeah, I don't think you do. I think I broke my teeth. mashed potatoes.
I've been eating potatoes
Lately, huh?
every single day. I feel like it. Right?
Yeah. I don't know. You don't like it? You don't like it?
No, I like it, but it's just, that's a lot.
Some coleslaw. Kind of too bright. Oh. Spilling everything today. Oh, so this is the original. This is what I like. Just KFC original chicken.
I don't want that.
Excuse me? You want to get your own chicken? You see this? Yeah. Mmm. And since I'm Asian, like, I like to eat chicken KFC with rice. Yeah.
Why you say it like that?
Because no one eats it with rice besides me.
I eat it with rice when there's leftovers.
KFC?
Mm-hmm. Like, say there's no more mashed potatoes and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next day I want some. Well, I eat it with rice.
Mm. Eat everything off. So, when you're driving, right, and you're getting close to a traffic light, it's green, but all of a sudden it turns yellow. But so you speed up to try to beat the red, right? And you get there. Was that wrong? For speeding up and trying to beat the red? Like when it turns yellow?
Well, I wasn't there when you did it. Like, it depends.
No, like I was going at a good speed already at the limit. It was like what, 40 miles an hour. And then I was getting close to the light. It was green, then it turned yellow. So what I did was I gassed it a little bit more, to try to beat the red. So I got past the intersection, like before it turned red.
Did you have enough time to stop?
Huh? Yeah, but when I know when I was gonna stop, I'm gonna have to do a hard stop. You know what I mean? Because I'm going at that speed already.
Oh.
So it's like 50-50. I could have stopped, but it's gonna be like a hard stop, or just go. So I just went ahead and went on yellow. I don't know.
I probably would have went too.
Yeah. Not even hot.
Like, it has a weird
It's like a
taste to it, huh?
Yeah, like an oil. Just like oil and spices. That's it.
I don't know if I would get Nashville hot again. Did you like the Nashville hot? They had chicken tenders one too.
Oh really?
But it probably would have tasted like that. was so hungry right now too.
Have to wait for you to get off. Is it good though? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I get some more. You good? Ooh. Oh no. Oh no.
Ground beef right now. There's no ground beef.
Don't mind if I do.
I don't want to get the Nashville hot again. I don't know, it has a weird taste to it.
Mm-hmm. We don't like coleslaw?
No.
No?
Stop doing that.
Stop copying me. Oh, man. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell. It's right here. But click on this one down here. But we like to have ours here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.